Hi, friends. Welcome back to English Smart Practice.
Today, we're going to learn English with 4 short stories.
Listen, speak, and practice real conversations.
Finally, we'll explain the most important words and phrases. Let's begin.
Story 1. Wrong size.
Oh no, this jacket is too small. Have you ever bought clothes that didn't fit? Come with me. I need an exchange.
At the clothing store.
Hi, I bought this jacket yesterday, but I think it's the wrong size.
Oh, I see. What seems to be the problem with the size?
Well, I asked for a medium, but when I got home, I saw the tag says small. It's too tight.
I understand. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check if we have the medium size in stock. Please wait a moment.
Sure, no problem.
I'm sorry, the medium size is sold out in this color.
Oh, that's too bad. I really like this color.
If you'd like, I can order the medium size for you, and it will arrive in about 3 days.
That sounds good. Can you have it delivered to my house?
Yes, we can ship it to your address for free.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We'll call you when it's ready.
Story 2. Damaged item.
I was so excited to try my new headphones, but when I got home, I found the left side wasn't working. Now I need to go back to the store and exchange them.
At the electronics store.
Hello. I'd like to return this set of headphones.
Okay. May I ask what's wrong with them?
The left side doesn't work. There's no sound.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did you buy them?
Just 2 days ago. Here's the receipt.
Thanks for showing me the receipt. Would you like a refund or an exchange for a new pair?
I think I'll take an exchange because I still need headphones.
No problem. Let me get another pair for you. Please wait.
Sure.
Here you go. This one has been checked and works fine.
Great. Can I try it quickly before I leave?
Of course. You can test it here.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Sorry for the inconvenience.
That's okay. Thanks again.
Story 3. Broken backpack zipper.
Have you ever had a zipper that just wouldn't move? My backpack is stuck. Come with me to the store.
At the store.
Hello, I bought this backpack here 2 months ago, and the zipper is broken. Here's the receipt.
Let me take a look. Oh, yes. The zipper is stuck and won't close properly.
Yes, and it makes it really hard to use.
That's no problem. The backpack comes with a 1-year guarantee, so we can repair it free of charge.
That's good to know. How long will it take?
About 3 or 4 days. Could you leave it with us?
Sure, I can wait.
Thank you. We'll call you when it's ready for pickup.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
Story 4. The broken shoes.
Oh no, I just bought these shoes and the sole is already coming off. I need to take them back to the store.
At the shoe store.
Excuse me, I bought these shoes last weekend, but there's a problem.
Oh, are they the wrong size?
No, the size is fine, but look, the sole is already coming off. I only wore them twice.
Oh, I see what you mean. That shouldn't happen with new shoes. Do you have the receipt with you?
I think I left it at home. Is that a problem?
Yes, I'm afraid we need the receipt to make an exchange. Could you bring it back tomorrow?
Sure, I'll come back with it.
Don't worry. Once you bring the receipt, we'll exchange them immediately.
Thanks for your understanding.
Words and phrases. Exchange. To give back an item you bought and get a different one instead. Example. I need to exchange these shoes for a bigger size. In stock. When a store has a product available to buy. Example, that new video game is finally in stock at the store. Sold out. When a store has no more of an item to sell because all of them have been bought. Example, I wanted the blue dress, but it was sold out. Ship. To send something to another place, usually in a box or package. Example, the company will ship the package to my home. Refund. To get your money back for something you returned to a store. Example, the chair was broken, so I got a refund. Inconvenience. A small problem or trouble. Example, the bus was late, which was a small inconvenience. Take a look. To quickly look at something to check it or see what it is. Example, can I take a look at that dress? Zipper. A tool with small teeth used to open and close clothes or bags. Example, the zipper on my jacket is broken. Ready for pickup means your order is prepared and you can collect it from the shop. Example, your shoes are ready for pickup. The sole is coming off. The bottom part of a shoe, the sole, is separating from the top part. Example, I can't wear these shoes anymore. The sole is coming off. Immediately, right now, without waiting. Example, please come immediately. It's urgent.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.